Good morning, everyone. Just want to talk to you about sector and arc length. As you saw from the PowerPoint, you are finding either the area of the shaded region or the length of the arc itself, depending on what type of circle you are working with. So on the first problem I have for you today, when you find the sector, you want to make sure that you are using the appropriate formula, area, part of the area of the circle, and we're only trying to figure out what is the shaded region, how much space is that. So when I go to fill in, I would have pi times 6.2 squared. The m represents the angle that we're dealing with. Well, remember, angle, essential angle is equivalent or equal to the degree of the arc as long as it's essential angle. So I can just do 125 over 360. Now our answers will be kept in terms of pi. So when I go to figure this out, I can just plug it in pretty much as I see it. I can do 6.2 squared times, don't forget to use your fraction button, 125 over 360. Make sure you close out your parenthesis, and you get 13.35 pi. That's the area of that sector. Likewise, when I'm dealing with area or length of the arc, I'm going to use the circumference formula, 2 pi r, and then times it again by the central angle that we are dealing with. So for this one, 2 pi, the radius is 4.1, times 67 over 360. Now the 360, is the whole degrees of the circle. So again, I plug it into my calculator, 2 times 4.1. Then you can times that again by your fraction of 67 over 360. And again, you get 1.53 pi. So that is the length of the arc.